It's your boy, William Sibley, to motivate, to inspire, to entertain one chicken and one hummingbird garden at a time. Well, here I am at Hummingbird headquarters right now, and letting you know that the first hummingbird garden did not come out as successful as we first hoped. Okay, we planned on hundreds of hummingbirds flying in from around the world and landing in my hummingbird sanctuary, but none ever came. Not one hummingbird. Butterflies came, bees came, bugs, spiders, aliens. That's right, aliens from outer space came. But that's a different story, which you will see. But what I'm doing is letting you know that sometimes your plans that you have for your purpose don't work out exactly correct the first time. And you have to keep plugging through. Redesign, go. Massive action plan is what you have to do. And keep sticking with that plan, and don't let small setbacks hold you back. So what I've done is I'm going to completely redesign the hummingbird sanctuary with my partners right here. And I've got a bunch of them. They're coming in from all around the world. Thousands and thousands of my yellow rubber chickens are coming from around the world to help out with this project. Because it's big. It's bigger than big. Let's go check it out. Now what I've done, the only thing that's left is a couple of plants that I've taken out. But we're starting from scratch. And I've actually got my chickens. They're doing different projects right now, getting ready for the whole big higamaroo. And we've been out here working, pre-prepping for about 2 hours now. But the only plants that are left is this one. I don't know what it is, but I left it. This plant I saved, and he's guarding it right now. And then this plant here. That's it. Everything else is either dead or gone. But it doesn't matter, because we've regrouped and we have a whole new plan of action now. Come check this out. I actually went out and I invested in hummingbird material. Check this out. We're going to turn this into a masterpiece. This and this will equal hummingbird paradise extravaganza. Extravaganza. I got butterflies, dragonflies, bumblebees, and a bunch of other stuff which I will go over. But let's do it. Let's get down and do it to it and make this work. I even got these cones here. I got these cones because I have a great idea. Yeah, I got the cones because what I'm going to do with these cones is, after I'm all done getting the garden set up, I want to make a landing zone for the hummingbirds so they can actually see when they're up in the air the cones. They can actually kind of land perfect in between the cones. So these cones are going to bring in hummingbirds in conjunction with the flowers. So let's go. Let's get to work right now. Let's do it. By the way, today is September, I don't know what day it is. It's 2018, September 23rd, 21st, 22nd. It's Sunday. I lost track of the days because I've been hummingbird gardening, planning. Let's go. If you have a dream, if you have a purpose, if you have a calling, which if means yes, you do. If you're pursuing that and you're into a situation where you feel stuck, or you feel that no one even cares but you, Remember, I care. William Sibley believes in your purpose and your dream and your calling. That's my calling, to motivate, to inspire, to entertain, one video at a time. I'm also in the process of completing my first book, Hey You, Let Go of My Ego, a true story about me, myself, and I. I'm also in the process of creating an online motivational, inspirational store and brand, which you will be seeing soon. My goal is to be the best version that I can be and become the best version that I can be of me, of William, and share that with you. So if you are you and you are watching this, and if it's really you and not some other you inside you acting like they're you, then you understand what I'm trying to say, you. This is for you because you and I connect, period. And if you know other friends, other people, other human beings that might want to connect with me, let them know that William Sibley believes in them. And he knows you can do it and you will do it. So let's do it together. Let's take the energy, synergy, motivation, inspiration, that power, that unseen magnetic power that each of us has, and send it to each other right now. How'd that feel? That's powerful. Give me some of yours. Whoa. Thanks. Keep on living your dream, because we're going to live this hummingbird dream today. And remember, this hummingbird garden is a reflection of what I want my life to become and my motivational, inspirational, entertaining career that I'm creating as we speak. Let's go do it to it. Can I borrow your shovel? Thanks. Hard work, you get the job done, one shovel at a time.
First thing you gotta do is turn the soil and make sure it's clean and nice and ready to go. Part 1.
Second thing you gotta do is break it all up, all the way down, and make sure it's nice and smooth. We want these plants to grow so big that it's going to take a lot of work. Lots and lots and lots of work. But we're going to do it because we believe in ourselves. In fact, we're about to go get our boots on and add some stomping to this. But all you do is you grab something like this and just here, you guys take over. Chop it all up and then mix it on in. loop, and you just walk through it. Mix it up. Step on it. Dance in it. Whatever you want to do. Just get your feet down in there really, really good. The whole goal is to have this soil so nice that plants grow deep and their roots go deep into the ground. Here's what we got. See that? Nice and smooth. Now the next thing we want to do, we're going to smooth everything out real nice, and we're going to water it, and then that'll make the soil settle. Then we're going to come back and plant the plants in the ground. Let's do it. Let's smooth it. You gotta get your hands really in there and smooth this out. Make sure you got a good depthness in there. See that? See how we're doing this? You're using your hands. I'm using one hand now because I'm holding the phone with the other hand. You get the point. How's it coming? Is it coming along good? Am I doing good? Huh? How do you think? What do you think of it? Is it good? How about you? You have an opinion you want to give me? Okay, I'll do it. He says, bring him some chicken feed because he's hungry. Let's keep working. Make sure you use rain shower so it's authentic. And we've got it smoothed out now. Now we're going to water it really good so the actual water goes deep, so when we do our planting they have a nice solid foundation of water. You know what I mean? So that's what we're doing now. We're watering it down. Watering it down one step at a time. Just like your purpose, you have to do one step at a time. 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 And as you do that, you will see the progress happening for that purpose that you're called to do. And sometimes it takes a lot of work just to get one thing done on that list for your purpose. And sometimes it doesn't take so much work, depending on what it is. But regardless, what it does take is you pursuing it. You overcoming that ego that's holding you back. Me overcoming the ego that's holding me back. And doing everything we can not to find excuses to live our purpose. Because I know I'm the biggest excuse maker. Hang on a second. See what I mean? So let's work together, my friends. Do one part at a time for that purpose. And let me hear your dream. Let me hear your purpose. Let me hear what you desire out of life. Share it with us. Share it with me. Right now. Let me hear it. Oh yeah. Alright. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let me hear your dream. Let me hear your purpose. Write it in the comment or make a video. I don't care. Share it with William Sibley, because as he waters, he's fulfilling that purpose. Wow. That's enough watering. Now as we go through here, we see it looks like it's flooded. But what's going to happen in about an hour, all that water is going to drain down to the bottom of that soil. And then we're going to be ready to plant. one plant at a time. That's because that's what we do. We plant seeds and we motivate, we inspire, we entertain. It's your boy, William Sibley, saying live your dream today, because we have a lot of plants to plant. Let's do it to it. Action. Okay, go ahead and start spinning. Go ahead. There you go. Good job. Good job. Power up, Hummingbird Garden 247. Powering up in 5, 4, 3, 2. Power up. Well, it's not powering up too quick here. Power up. Go ahead. You can do it. There you go. There you go. We got power. We got power. We're powering up the Hummingbird Garden. As you can see, we've made a lot of progress over the last few hours. We've actually organized the plants into an array of how they're going to be displayed. And I got everything you can imagine, which we'll go over later. But there will be a variety of plants going into the ground. I'm so excited about the hummingbirds that I'm jumping up and down with joy in my heart, because I'm starting a brand spanking new program this week for the next 66 days. I'm on what's called a 66-day six-pack workout. I've even changed hats. I took off my cowboy hat and I put on my workout hat because I have to go work out. Tomorrow, we're going to finish this project by putting the plants into the ground. That's part 2. So stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow. You'll see the plants go into the ground, and then we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. It's your good boy, William Sibley, saying to motivate, to inspire, to entertain, one video at a time. Live your purpose today, because William Sibley says you can, and that means you can. Now go do it. Live your purpose.